The video opens with a close-up shot of a praying mantis turning its head to look directly at the camera. Have you ever seen an insect that can look over its shoulder? Meet the praying mantis, one of nature's most fascinating and misunderstood predators. These guys aren't just bugs. They're tiny, alien-like ninjas hiding in plain sight. But what if I told you they have 5 eyes, only 1 ear, and can be masters of disguise? Stick around, because we're about to uncover 5 incredible facts that will completely change the way you see the praying mantis. So, let's jump right into our first fact. Their incredible vision. You might look at a mantis and see 2 large, prominent eyes, and you'd be right. Those are its compound eyes, made up of thousands of tiny lenses that give it a wide field of view and make it excellent at detecting motion. But did you know they have 3 more? Tucked right between their antennae are 3 simple eyes called ocelli. These smaller eyes don't form complex images, but are incredibly sensitive to light and dark. They help the mantis gauge light intensity and detect the shadows of approaching predators from above, like birds. So, with 2 eyes for hunting and 3 for watching the sky, the praying mantis has a 360-degree surveillance system that would make any spy jealous. It's this combination that makes them such effective ambush predators. Now, how about their hearing? You'd think with 5 eyes they'd have at least 2 ears, right? Wrong. Praying mantises have only 1 ear, and its location is just as strange as the number. It's not on its head, but in the middle of its chest, located in a deep groove on its abdomen. And this single ear isn't for listening to other mantises or finding prey. It serves one critically important purpose: detecting bats. Bats use echolocation to hunt at night, sending out high-frequency clicks. The mantis's single ear is perfectly tuned to pick up these exact frequencies. When a flying mantis hears a bat approaching, it triggers an emergency response. The mantis will instantly stop flying normally and perform a series of wild, evasive maneuvers, spiraling, diving, and tumbling through the air to avoid becoming a midnight snack. It's an incredible aerial dogfight between predator and prey, all thanks to one strategically placed ear. Moving on to fact number 3, which is arguably their most famous trait: their lightning-fast predatory strike. When a praying mantis spots its prey, it doesn't just lunge, it calculates. It sways back and forth, not just to mimic a leaf in the wind, but to use motion parallax to judge the exact distance to its target. Once it's locked on, its strike is one of the fastest movements in the animal kingdom. The mantis can snatch its prey in about 50 to 70 milliseconds. To put that in perspective, a human eye blink takes about 300 to 400 milliseconds. They are so fast that their attack is almost impossible to see with the naked eye. Their front legs, armed with sharp spines, clamp down on their victim like a vice grip, making escape nearly impossible. They don't just hunt other insects. A large mantis can take down prey as big as lizards, frogs, and even small birds like hummingbirds. They are the definition of a patient and explosive predator. Our 4th fact delves into their mastery of disguise. Praying mantises are the chameleons of the insect world. Their camouflage is so effective that you could be staring right at one and not even know it. The classic green or brown mantis we often see is just the beginning. There are over 2,400 different species, and many have evolved to perfectly mimic their surroundings. The orchid mantis, for example, is a stunning pink and white, looking exactly like a flower petal to lure in pollinating insects. The ghost mantis looks like a dried, crumpled leaf, complete with veins and a brittle texture. The wandering violin mantis has a slender, brown body that resembles a twig. This incredible camouflage serves a dual purpose. It helps them ambush unsuspecting prey, and, just as importantly, it helps them hide from their own predators. They are true masters of blending in, making them both deadly hunters and elusive survivors. And finally, fact number 5 addresses a famous, but often misunderstood, behavior: cannibalism. Yes, it's true. Female praying mantises sometimes eat the male after or even during mating. But it's not as common as pop culture would have you believe. In the wild, studies suggest this only happens about 13 to 28% of the time, much less than observed in a lab setting where the male can't escape. But why does it happen at all? It's all about resources. By consuming the male, the female gets a vital protein boost that helps her produce more, healthier eggs. In a way, the male's sacrifice contributes directly to the survival of his own offspring. It's a brutal but effective evolutionary strategy. In some cases, the male can even continue the mating process after his head has been removed, as the nerves controlling the process are located in his abdomen. It's a grim but fascinating example of how nature prioritizes reproduction above all else. So there you have it, 5 incredible facts about the praying mantis. They're more than just garden insects. They are highly evolved specialists with 5 eyes, a single bat-detecting ear, lightning-fast reflexes, brilliant camouflage, and a rather intense approach to romance. The next time you see one in your garden, hopefully you'll have a newfound appreciation for the tiny, complex ninja warrior standing before you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these facts as fascinating as I did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the amazing world of nature. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you in the next video.